Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another energy check-in for you. Let's see how you and your person are doing, what you guys are going through, and what action that we can expect now. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. Seven of Wands in reverse, Chariot, Two of Swords, Hierophant, Ten of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. For me, this is person A, Leo, so this could be you or this could be your person. And I'm now going to take out cards for person B. Page of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Wands upright, Wheel of Fortune, the Moon, Knight of Swords, and the Eight of Swords. And the action person A would like to take and the action person B would like to take. All right, bottom of my spread, I see your card, Leo, King of Wands. Let's put this card here as well, and let's take a few dialogue message cards and see what's going on here. So, Leo and their person spirit. Okay, one is enough. Let's take a couple from here. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple from here as well. All right, we're done. And let's begin with these cards first, Leo. The first card here says, don't come back to me if you haven't leveled up. I knew all along that you had the potential to run again, but the intensity of our connection and my curiosity about it is what kept me interested in you. My boundaries are stronger now, and your old mind games will no longer be tolerated. Okay. Second card says, it's hard to move on when I keep comparing you with everyone new that I meet. So maybe this was a connection which maybe you guys haven't told each other, or this person keeps playing mind games, but they haven't been able to move on either because they know you're the best. I still have your pictures saved. So even though they're not telling you, Leo, they are still seeing you, they're still seeing your pictures. Will you marry me? I tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back to you. But the other person is saying, hey, if you're coming back with mind games, then don't come. Please, I'm done. You've done enough trickery till now. Not sure, told me how you feel and now never kind of stepped up. So either you come in correct or don't come in at all. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. So now the other person who's been playing these mind games feel they've already been, the verdict has already been passed and they may not be allowed to come back. So now they are worrying, will I get a chance? Will they marry, if I propose or something, will they say yes to me, or will I have to wait another lifetime to get them now? So, of course, before I begin, I am going to take an angel blessing card to top the reading, and then we'll start clarifying these cards, Leo. Leo, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo Spirit? Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Leo, please. Thank you. Triumphant. All right, either you want to be triumphant in this connection, Leo, or maybe your person is wanting to be. So, but the blessing is there. There is a big possibility of victory here. Let's see what's going on. Let's see with person A's end. All right, so the basic gist that I'm getting here is that one person has kind of stopped fighting for this connection. This is how they're feeling right now. There's no point, kind of fighting for this connection. The kind of feeling that movement has stopped or should be stopped because maybe somebody wasn't making some decision whether they wanted to be together or not. Let's see. Seven of Wands spirit for person A. Why are they feeling like the Seven of Wands? Seven of Wands. Chariot in reverse again. Maybe things didn't really move. There was no balance in a connection. Maybe they were expecting equal give and take, but the other person was probably playing mind games and there was a push and pull going on here. So person A is feeling, hey, I'm not going to work on a connection which I want equal give and take. I want clarity. I want the truth. And if this person can't give it to me, I might as well stop fighting for it. Chariot in reverse spirit. Chariot in reverse. Yeah, maybe that love offer or apology or, the romance never really came. And because of that, one person is now wanting to give up the fight and say, hey, I'm not moving towards this either. So what happened in the past, spirit, for this person to feel like that? Two of Swords and the Hierophant. They feel that person never really made a decision to solidify something in the connection. Either offer a commitment or offer something more structured, and always made them feel left out and abandoned, made them feel kind of rejected and left them out in the cold and feeling always alone. That reciprocity, I think, which was being expected by person A never came. And because they felt it's not coming and it's not equal, I think person A is kind of not moving towards person B either. Almost like dropping it. Yes, person A is also now trying to hold back and say, hey, if this is the way you're going to behave, then that's the way I'm going to behave now. I'm not going to be subject to always feeling like the outcast, always being neglected, never being given attention, always being in hermit mode and trying to understand what's going on in your head. I want you to tell me, and not that I have to just kind of sit here and wonder, like decipher your actions or non-actions or your messages. What does that mean? What does that mean? I don't want to be in that kind of a situation. And they feel that the partner never really decides whether they're in or out, right? So Hierophant. Yes, they were unhappy. Person A was unhappy that the other person was not really putting in any investment. They were not investing into this connection to make it more viable, more solid. And when they looked at, this connection, they felt disappointed. They felt disappointed that why won't you just make, a decision to move forward in a healthy way instead of always playing these mind games when now I have to now hold back. They also feel somewhere that their partner was holding back because of something. Could be pride, could be ego, could be responsibilities, I don't know. But whatever said and done, person A was not satisfied and they are holding back now. So how do they feel about person B? How does person A feel about person B? Now, Ten of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords. How does person B feel about person B? Same thing. They feel that person B is a bit selfish and maybe not taking action. There was a strong possibility that, this could have been achieved, or maybe they feel that person is very involved in their own life and their own family and their own things, and they don't take action towards them at all. They also feel that because of this non-action, they have kept them always worrying and guessing. Will it happen? Won't it happen? Why is it happening? Why is it not happening? They feel this person has given them a lot of trouble in terms of their not taking action. I think person A is now making a choice, making a decision to move on. They want to move on and may probably have a fresh new beginning, maybe elsewhere. So that's what person A is going through. Let's see. We'll see what action they finally will take later. Let's see what person B is going through. So person B has this is how they're feeling. Page of Pentacles in reverse and the Six of Wands. Page of Pentacles again. My God, they really feel that there is nothing to be achieved now. This connection has halted. There is nothing going to come out of it. And the Six of Wands, Spirit. Six of Wands. They actually do want to come towards person A and reveal what they've been hiding till now. They want to tell person A that, hey, I find you very attractive. I find you a perfect match for me. I feel a very strong friendship and a very close bond with you. I see you as a soulmate probably. And yes, I want to have victory with you. So they're feeling that things have halted and they have no other way but to now be honest with person A, and that's the only way they'll probably get victory, because without that they are sensing now this connection is now coming to a close. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel this way? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse and the Moon in reverse. I think probably this person was stuck because of something. I don't think person B was in a very happy state of mind in the past. Maybe there was a lack of happiness, maybe within their own life. I don't know. Spirit, regarding this connection, what happened in the past? I think this person was still struggling with a broken heart. They were still struggling to come out of some past hurt where they were not in the best state of mind, maybe feeling rather stuck in something where they felt they couldn't take action right now. And the Moon in reverse, Spirit? Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Yes, now I think in the past certain things they did know. They did realize something about this connection, and as much as they were trying to manifest this connection, they wanted to maybe go towards person A the correct way. They were still, I think, dealing with something or somebody, some heartbreak from the past, and they were trying that. I don't want to go towards person A with any kind of secrets. I want to go with openness where I don't have to hide anything. Maybe they wanted to close some chapters of their life and then kind of be that magician where they could actually move forward and take action in a positive way. So how are they feeling now about person A, Spirit? Knight of Swords and the Eight of Swords. Now they feel something has happened between the two of you. Maybe there was a little misunderstanding, let's say, or an argument, or something has happened which has created a conflict between the two of you. And now person B is very, very stressed out. They're in their head. Why is that, Spirit? Why are they in the Eight of Swords energy? Why are they in the Eight of Swords energy? Because they feel their partner's already walked away from them. Now they're stressed out because maybe they didn't take action on time, and they feel their partner's already walked away, and it may be too late. Like they said, I've tried to walk away from you, but something keeps pulling me back, and maybe hopefully next time I can do better. So let's see what action person A would like to take towards person B. Judgment, all right. This is almost like a restart, re-beginning, brand new restart, I think. Judgment. What's this Judgment card, Spirit? Judgment. What's this judgment card for person A? I don't think they're taking any action right now. They are kind of, they're not making any movement. But I think they are open to a reconciliation kind of an energy. They also feel that yes, this can happen. I think this person is, they haven't really decided, Leo. They know that this relationship is a bit imbalanced at the moment. So I think they're open to both. They are waiting for either some quick action to be taken, or they're fine, moving on and going off in a fresh new direction for themselves. This person is starting a brand new chapter of their life with or without person B. But right now, this person is in hangman's position, trying to understand this connection, not taking action, but open to the other person. So if this comes in fast enough, I think they may consider it, or this person is going to move away for something new for themselves anyway. So let's see, what is the action person B would like to take towards person A now? The Fool. I don't believe it. Both of you have the same card, Leo. Both are looking for a brand new beginning here. So why is the Fool card here for person B, Spirit? Fool card for person B. Yes, so there is a lot of passion here. This King of Wands, who was on the bottom of my spread, which was your Leo card, right? They want to come in fast and furious, and they want to somehow work on this connection again. Person B definitely wants to come towards person A. They want to work on this connection. They want to take a leap of faith and try again, right, for a partnership. But person A, I think, is okay either way. They are realizing the imbalance that has been created. They are realizing that they're not going to be taking any action towards person B, that much I'm sure, but they would be happy to try again, I guess. So anything else, Spirit, for Leo? Any last card for Leo? Yes, this chapter of your life is not shut down completely. This connection has not shut down completely. So there is hope. Even though I think person A has kind of given up hope, person B is rushing back in to speak their truth and take this forward. There is a chance here. This chapter is not closed down yet. There is a full chance of once again. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Leo. I hope this worked for you. Till then, till next time then, love and light. Namaste. I'll see you on Friday now.